Hi all, I am Revati Kadirvel from Medical and Surgical Nursing Department. Today we are going to see about nursing management of patient with disorders of digestive system. First we are going to see about cholelithiasis. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about at the end of the class review of anatomy and physiology, cholelithiasis definition, types of cholelithiasis, pathophysiology of cholelithiasis, then clinical features of cholelithiasis, investigations used for cholelithiasis, collaborative management for cholelithiasis. So first, anatomy and physiology. The gallbladder is a small and pear-shaped organ under the liver. Both the liver and the gallbladder are behind the right lower lobes. In adults, the gallbladder is usually about 3 to 4 inches long and normally no wider than an inch. The gallbladder concentrates and stores bile, a fluid made in the liver. Bile helps digest the fats in foods as they pass through the small intestine. Bile is made by the liver and is either sent into ducts that carry it to the small intestine or stored in the gallbladder and released later. When food, especially fatty food, is being digested, the gallbladder squeezes and sends bile through a small tube called the cystic duct. The cystic duct joins up with the common hepatic duct which comes from the liver to form the common bile duct. The common bile duct joins with the main duct from the pancreas, the pancreatic duct. It is to empty into the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum, the ampulla of water. The gallbladder helps digest food, but you don't need it to live. Many people have their gallbladders removed and go on to live normal lives. So this is a picture of gallbladder. So the definition: the presence of stones in the gallbladder is referred to the cholelithiasis, from the Greek kol, bile, plus lith, stone, plus iasis, process. If gallstones migrate into the ducts of the biliary tract, the condition is referred to as cholelithiasis. Formed from the solid constituents of the bile, they may vary greatly in size, shape, and composition. Uncommon in children and young adults but become more prevalent with increasing age. Incidence and prevalence: 2% in south, 7% in north. Increase in women, especially multiparous women and person with 40 years of age. Types of gallstones: cholesterol stones, mainly of cholesterol. More than 50% of stone composition compromises multiple layers of cholesterol and using glycoproteins. Pure cholesterol stones are not common. They comprise less than 10% of all stones. Most other cholesterol stones contain variable amounts of bile pigments and calcium. If excessive cholesterol or insufficient bile acids are secreted, bile becomes supersaturated with cholesterol, which then participates out as cholesterol crystals and stones. The incidence increase with age and the prevalence higher in women. Stones are usually smooth and whitish yellow to tan. So second type of stone, pigment stone. It probably form when unconjugated pigments in the bile precipitate to form stones. In these, people bile contains an excess of unconjugated bilirubin. Pigment stones are dark due to the presence of calcium bilirubinate and are usually formed secondary to hemolytic disorders such as sickle cell disease, spherocytosis, and in those with cirrhosis. Two types are recognized: black and brown. Pigment stone cannot be dissolved, must be removed surgically. Black pigment stones, most common, formed in gallbladder, common in hemolytic disorders, example cirrhosis. Multiple, small and hard in consistence, bilirubinate, phosphate, bicarbonate, calcium. Then brown stones. It is rare one, formed in bile duct usually after bacterial infection caused by bile stasis. The bacteria responsible for the infection enzymatically catalyze the conversion of bilirubin glucuronide to insoluble unconjugated bilirubin. Major constituents are precipitated calcium bilirubinate and bacterial cell bodies. So mixed stone, most common type. It may be combination of cholesterol and pigment stones or either of these with some other substances. Calcium carbonate, phosphate, bile salt, and palmitate make up more common minor constituents. So next video we will see about causes, risk factors and pathophysiology and remaining items. Thank you.